I ordered some cotton thongs from Amazon. This is super cool if you want to do your makeup or pluck some little hairs, get that mustache, get them eyebrows. This will get you. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. I'm Marissa Ray, and today I'm going to be showing y'all a few of my Amazon favorites. So things that I've just collected over time from Amazon that I really enjoy. So if you've never seen me before and you're new to my channel, thank you for joining us. Please make sure you subscribe down below and turn on your notification bell so that you never miss an upload. Okay, so the first item that I have is this little buddy here. It is a mirror, like a vanity mirror. You're probably gonna like see everything in this house. Hold on, let me get up close. It's just a vanity mirror, so now y'all can see how my camera's set up. But it's a vanity mirror. It has these lights right here. If you hit this button, the lights come on, and if you hold it like that, the lights will become more dim. I don't know if y'all can tell, but that's what happens. And then it's got like a little mirror on the side, a 2x and a 5x I think, or 3x magnifying glass, and then this little side mirror too. This little buddy takes batteries, so it takes four AAA batteries, or it comes with a USB cord that you can like hook up to the, you know, like an outlet or something, and use it that way. So this is super cool if you want to do your makeup or pluck some little hairs, get that mustache, get them eyebrows. This will get you. Also, since we're on the topic of skin and hair and all that, or yeah, plucking hairs, this is a razor that I got from Amazon. So it's one of these razors, and the little razor edge thing is on that side, and it comes with, this is the Derby professional razor, by the way. It comes with 100 blades, so this is good. I don't know if you guys have, ooh child, I'm about to drop it and hurt myself. But good thing the razors come like already, they're like secured in little paper wraps. But if you're one of those people who get really hairy on your face, like me, I'm a really hairy girl, not gonna lie, everywhere. TMI, but you know, we here, so y'all see me, I see you, kinda, you feel me? So this is good if like I get a lot of hair like under my neck right here. Shave that off, honey. You know, it just helps with your skin to look a little bit more brighter and clearer if you do it the right way. So this is a razor I got from Amazon, and I use this to trim up my eyebrows. Another skin item that I like to use is actually some tea tree oil and essential oil. I don't use this often, but I know that tea tree oil looks like that, if y'all can see it. Oh yeah, I can't even show y'all. There we go. Tea tree oil is really good with like fighting bacteria on your skin. This is really strong, so they suggest to dilute it with another product. So maybe if you want to mix it with like your moisturizer or something. I've used it like at night only. I don't do it during the day. This buddy right here is a really cool tool to use. Okay, this is basically a face massager. So there is, here, let me just turn it on so y'all can see. So you have to hold it for like 3 seconds. Boom. Okay, so the red means, oh, there's a bug. The red means hot. When it lights up red like that, that means hot. And there's little buttons on here that makes it vibrate and turns the temperature up, so it gets hotter and hotter. And if you press another button, this little thing lights up, and then it can vibrate. Blue means cold, so, and then you press the little flower button, boom, it becomes cold instead of hot. So this is good for when you want to, like, you know, you using a moisturizer or some type of toner or anything, and You want to open up your pores. Use the hot surface if you need to do any like deep cleansing or mask or anything like that. And then the cold surface is to close your pores. So that'd be like after you wash your face, after your face is clean, all of that stuff. So this is really, really, really a good investment, or a good little tool, and it wasn't too expensive either. By the way, I will leave every single product and item that I used. I would try to go through the orders and see if I can find the link to all the items, and I'll leave them down below in the description box so that y'all can see them. The next one, this is a true favorite. I started using these maybe about 3 weeks ago. These biotin hair gummies, well, hair, skin, and nail gummies. 10,000 milligrams, or no, mcg, micrograms, whatever. But y'all, I'm gonna have to do a separate video on this specific product later on. But my hair used to, when I pull it, I got a little armpit fat, don't worry about that. When I pull my hair, it used to be down to here, but now it's like down to here, like, okay. So, and that's since I've been using these. And my hair is just in a little cute little bun right now. I have it in some deep conditioner and all that. So this, I'm gonna do a separate video on this and show y'all my actual growth and everything, because I'm definitely gonna buy some more of this. Now, if you're into makeup, or maybe not even into makeup, but if you like lashes and all of that, then you'll probably like these. Do not be fooled. The little small lashes in there, those are just extra ones that's been laying around. But I'll insert a picture of my last little makeup that I did where I wore these lashes. I love these lashes. Let me show y'all which ones it is, because I have a bunch in here. But it's these bottom ones. So not those, but these. And you may have to, the band is really long, so you may have to cut it to make it fit your lash and like customize it a little bit. That's what I did. This bug is getting on my nerves. But these I got from Amazon, and I really like them. Like, I love the look of a good wispy lash. You feel what I'm saying? And I love it when I customized it to my eye look. At first, when I first wore it, I was like, eh. And then I stopped wearing these for like maybe a month or two. But then, you know, I was like, let me just customize it and see. And then I ended up liking it again. So this is another. The next thing is super important to me. I ordered some cotton thongs from Amazon. The only reason I did this, usually I would get most of my underwear from Victoria's Secret, but if y'all know, Victoria's Secret has mostly seamless underwear. They don't really have a lot of cotton cute underwear that, you know, I don't know, fit good, and just, I don't know, I have a hard time finding it because I wear like a large down there. And so these, I'm gonna take it out of the package. I got a pack of these. It's a pack of 6 thongs, and I got a pack of black ones, just all black, because, you know, most times the clothes that we wear, it's going to show sometimes the color of the underwear, so you want it to be black or your skin color somehow. But yes, I have not worn them yet. I have to wash them, of course, before I wear them. But yes, y'all, I always love, you know, I'm trying to expand my closet and like underwear stuff, plus making sure it's all cotton, because when it's cotton, you, let's just say, you can keep yourself up better. Okay, cotton is better. So cotton thongs all the way, and they're very inexpensive on Amazon. I got the black pair, and I got a pack of, it's 6 pair in each pack, and this pack is like pink, green, white, blue, gray, all those colors. Super cool, super cute. And oh, I was gonna say, Halfrican Beauty, I think her real name is EC. I watch her channel a lot. I'll kind of just insert a picture of what she looks like, but she did a video similar to this, I think, and I saw that she basically gave me the idea of like, oh, thongs from Amazon, duh, why not? I get everything else from Amazon. So there you go. Speaking of clothing, okay, I got this super cute square neck shirt from Amazon. I love this top. It's a little crop top. I love crop tops to wear with jeans, little shorts like how I got on now. I love crop tops, and y'all have probably seen me in this shirt before, maybe twice, I'm not gonna lie, but I do like this shirt a lot. I love the neck of it, first of all, and the material is just it's soothing, it's fitting, you know. I like it a lot. So something else I never would have thought to get from Amazon is jewelry, right? Never would have thought, but Amazon has some pretty cool items, so such as like hypoallergenic. Like for me personally, I don't have the money to be trying to spend all types of money on like real diamond earrings, but I do like good quality earrings and necklaces and jewelry that's going to last and not turn on me. Feel what I'm saying? So I'm going to zoom in for y'all just a little bit. These earrings, 1, 2, 3, I got these diamond or faux diamond little studs from Amazon because I always like good earrings that goes in my piercings up here. I've got 4 piercings, but I mainly wear studs in these 3 on both sides. So there's that side. And I just think it's so cool that I was like, oh my gosh, jewelry from Amazon, because I didn't feel like going to the store. And these had really good reviews on them, and I love to wear studs all of my piercings up here. So, and I've had these piercings for, I mean, probably since high school, and I'm 23 now, so it's been a long time since I had most of my piercings and everything. But yeah, jewelry. And I just recently purchased this. It's a cute necklace from Amazon. I don't feel like taking it out of the package yet, but this right here is a little rose gold heart. This had really good reviews on it too, and yeah, like most of the stuff I see to be like pretty trustworthy and reliable, so I was like, why not, you know, why not get it? The next item, I've got a bunch of stuff from Amazon. The next item is this UBZ size. What did I say? UBZ. I don't know what I'm thinking about, but it's just a little tripod. So I like to obviously be on camera, as y'all see, and this is super cool because when I haven't really gotten into vlogging and all that stuff, but I plan to do so eventually. So it's a cute little tripod that you can sit your phone or camera on, and surprisingly this thing is heavy enough, sturdy enough, I mean, to hold my big camera, because what I'm recording with now is a Canon EOS Rebel T7i, and it's sturdy enough to hold that large of a camera. And it also comes with a little Bluetooth button, so for instance, if you have your phone, this will only connect to a phone, so an Android or an iPhone, not a camera. But if you have your phone there, you can hook this little small thing up to your Bluetooth on your phone, and boom, you can take your pictures or record from your from this button instead of having to, you know, press your phone button, if that makes sense. The next things plural are basically a nail kit. Okay, this is a gel nail kit. So it didn't all come together. I actually purchased them separately, but I'll leave the links down below. So this is a base coat and a top coat for gel nails. This one has 6 different shades of like pink, white, neutral colors, and this is your LED light. And I got all 3 of these from Amazon because I was like, you know, I don't wear the acrylic nails no more. I used to, like high school, college, beginning college days, I used to wear acrylic nails all the time, but I've stopped, like, you know, for 2 years or so I've really stopped, and I started doing my own nails. So I don't have them done right now, but I have used these before, and I noticed that gel nails obviously do last longer, but at the nail shop I never wanted to get gel nails because they would be so expensive. So I'm like, I can do my own nails, sis. I can do all that, period. I can do it myself. I really like these items. Again, very inexpensive, really good items. And this thing, you basically just hook it up. The instructions are in there because I had never used this type of light before, but the instructions are there, so you know, you can get what you can out of it. And the polish did last, I'm gonna be honest, maybe 2 weeks. If I think there was something I did incorrectly, but if I do them next time, I'm pretty sure I could get a good 2 weeks out of this. Whereas when I wear regular nail polish on my real nails, it only would last like 3 days. Not even that, probably 2 days. So this is a win. So the next 3 products are products that I am not able to show right now, or I don't really feel like showing. So the one is my steering wheel cover that's on my car. I'm gonna insert a picture, a little I guess I'll insert it on this side, a little basically screen recording of the pictures from Amazon, but I have that exact same thing on my car. It's a pink steering wheel cover, fluffy, because I like the little fluffy steering wheel covers. But I love this one from Amazon because, I mean, it was difficult to put on, not gonna lie, because it's like bunched up and everything. But, you know, it's just a cute little thing. It's helpful for in the summertime so that your hands are not hot when you know, put your hands on your steering wheel, or in the wintertime when the steering wheel is cold. Okay, the cover really helps, and it's super cute, fluffy and pink. Who don't like that? The next item is, let me get my phone, is a screen protectors. So I have a iPhone, what is this, iPhone XS or XR, is that what this is? I can't even remember no more, but I just have the one with the one camera, with the colorful one, the iPhone XR, and I do have a screen protector on my phone right now. Unfortunately, I cannot find the box. The box that I bought from Amazon, again, I'm gonna insert another little video clip here. It's a pack of 3 screen protectors from Amazon, the glass, the durable glass one. When I tell you, my phone has not cracked once. And how long have I had this phone? Usually my phones crack often, maybe because I was a little bit less responsible back then, but my phones be cracking. And this, like, the screen protector itself would crack, but my phone would not crack. And it doesn't even look like I have anything on there, because this screen protector has like a black outline, so it literally blends in with your phone and you can't even tell that it's on there. But I love this screen protector. It just sucks that I'm gonna probably have to buy some more because I cannot find the box that I had. And the last item, this is kind of more so on the technology side again, like my tripod, my miniature one. So what I'm using right now with my camera is a Regtech tripod. I don't know however you pronounce it, but I have another video clip of that one. I love this tripod stand. It's one of those super tall ones, and it's really durable, and it was not very expensive at all. So that's the last item, is my tripod. If you're into photography, if you're into videology like me, videography like me, or pictures, whatever you want to do, definitely get you one of those tripods, and definitely get you one of the miniature one that I showed you earlier. So I think that's all the items I have. Let me know if y'all enjoyed this type of video, if you want some more like talk through videos about products, hair products, skincare products, anything like that. Let me know. I thought this would be kind of helpful for y'all because it's just some, you know, good finds that I got from Amazon, and it's really cool. So with all that being said, I hope y'all enjoyed. Follow me on Instagram at marissa.w. It'll be here on the screen, also down below in the description box. And I think that's enough for today. Okay, talk to y'all later. Bye.